Welcome back to Garden Discovery. Today I'm taking you a walk through one of my favorite hidden gems in Gilroy, California, a local nursery packed with stunning plants at unbeatable prices. Let's take a look at all the beautiful plants for sale at JC Nursery. And I think it's really important to say that I'm not sponsored at all and I don't get any kickbacks from doing videos at the nurseries that I really love to go to. I just really enjoy visiting these nurseries and I appreciate the great quality of plants and selection that are available. And at JC Nursery, Brian and Jose are just fantastic, friendly people. And they have a lot of plant knowledge and a lot of time spent with plants and can tell you all there is to know about how to care for the plants that they sell. And I think it's important to shop locally from independent businesses, and you won't find a better one in Gilroy than JC Nursery. JC Nursery carries everything from flowering perennials, wonderful varieties of ornamental grasses, to trees and shrubs, including fruit trees. And there's just so much to see and so much to choose from to go right into your garden and make it just beautiful. I'll place a link to JC Nursery in the description of the video, and I hope that you'll stop by and say hi to Jose and Brian and take home some of these beautiful, lovely plants for your own garden. Towards the end of the video, I'll show you what I picked to take home. Might be able to tell I was really fascinated with these beautiful hydrangeas. Beautiful colors and so lush and healthy. And this lovely is coming home with me.